Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most popular programming languages out there, Python. Whether you're a beginner or just brushing up on your skills, this video will give you a solid foundation on how to code in Python. Let's get started. Installing Python. First things first, you need to have Python installed on your computer. Head over to python.org, download the latest version, and follow the installation prompts. It's available for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Once installed, open your terminal or command prompt and type Python version to check that everything is set up correctly. Writing your first Python code. Now, let's write our first Python code. Open a text editor like VS Code, or simply use Python's built-in idle. Type the following: Python print hello world. This command tells Python to display the text hello world on the screen. Save your file with a .py extension and run it. If everything's set up correctly, you should see hello world printed in the terminal. Basic Python syntax. Let's go over some basic Python syntax. Python uses indentation to define blocks of code. For example, in loops and conditional statements, Python for I in range 5, print I. This loop prints numbers from 0 to 4. Notice the indentation, that's crucial in Python. And there you have it, your first steps into the world of Python programming. There's so much more to explore, from working with data to creating web applications. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more coding tutorials. Happy coding!